Okay. I think we're good. Let's go. Well, the problem is I didn't check this before we decided to put it up. And the antenna I thought we were taking down, that top one actually has clients connected to it. So we're gonna move it to another pole, which luckily there's enough room. And then we're gonna put the new antenna where that was. That's what we're doing. Oh, I need it. I'm trying not to get in front of that 60 gigahertz radio.
Oh, yeah.
That's connecting Mitchell's office. I need some gloves. Can I use your gloves? Do you need yours?
I'm okay for now. I can tighten it after. Isn't that company policy?
Okay.
It'll be the outside of this.
So we got the fiber cable here. This is providing data connectivity to the radio up top, and it has an SFP, so it's a optical to electrical adapter that clips into the bottom, and then DC power. That's what powers the radio. So run these two to the radio, and that's those are the two connections that it needs. It terminates in the switch that's just inside the elevator room here, and then there's leads that run from there down to our data center on 5, and that provides it with the internet connectivity that gives our customers internet. Yeah, I'm gonna get it down another couple inches here. That should give us enough.
Holy, the Hulk tightened it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get Drew to verify that signal, make sure I didn't knock it way out. Hey, would you be able to pull up the Grand Coulee backhaul connection? I'm gonna put the mount up and have a look. I'll put the harness on for this, just so I'm gonna be hanging off the edge.
These ladders.
Yeah, I don't like those ladders.
What are you gonna hook onto?
Top of the pipe. Oh yeah, we got miles. So we got the antenna mounted. We installed one of the new Tarana BN tower radios, and that's for connecting customers to our network. We installed the radio, installed the power and fiber cables that will be feeding it, and then they run inside, and they'll interface with our rack and our switch. That'll actually give it the connectivity and power source. And that sits in the penthouse of the building where all of our rooftop antennas terminate, and that's what gives connectivity to everything.